As long as this scar of a wall is permitted to stand, we see failure, technological backwardness, poverty, desperation, and chaos. From devastation, from utter ruin, unprecedented in all human history. If you seek prosperity, tear down this wall. Today, the city thrives in spite of the challenges implicit in the very presence of this wall. What keeps you here? Let us use this occasion to usher in a new era, to make a start. There is no better way to establish hope for the future, and it's my hope this wall will fall because it does such violence to the spirit. Perhaps this gets to the root of the matter, that if they should have the kind of government they apparently seek, no one would ever be able to do what they're doing again.